Do it again. I didn't hear it. Be gentle with her. Pat a cake, a baker's man. I bake me a cake as fast as I can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an L. Put it in the oven for Libby's birthday. Yay!
These are just mine.
Emma can't use them?
No.
Why not? Because why?
Mine.
Okay, Edward.
Don't call me Edward.
Well, that's what the book does. Libby's looking at you. If she was given fudge, do you think she'd share it with you?
No.
Hi!
She's ravioli.
She's ravioli.
Mom.
Hi!
Mom. Baby.
Yeah. Yeah. You like your sister, don't you?
Hi, Emma.
Yeah.
It's your other sister.
Libby, don't get your hair in her face.
You don't tell me what to do.
That makes Emma sad. Do you want to make your little sister sad?
I'm saying it to you. You, Sally.
Stop putting your hair
No,
in her
ravioli.
You like to smile, don't you? You like to smile at the sisters. And this is coming from your big sister. Your other sister.
Okay, girls, give her some space.
She's hot.
Yeah, she is.